All right, the second activity is actually a gallery walk, and this is the best that we can do it virtually. So your directions are you're going to look at the work of other groups in the following slides. So you're going to pretend that each of these slides is the work of another group. Okay? And you are going to describe what you noticed during the gallery walk. Use the following sentence frames when you share. So for example, A, I noticed some of the posters, fill in the blank. B, I noticed the posters for numbers blank and blank are similar because. Now you, at the very end, will actually have a slide that I don't have, and that's where you're going to type these out, because if I type out answers, some of you will literally just copy what I put down, and I don't want that. I want you to use your own brain, okay? So again, yours is going to look a little different. You're going to have the posters for the gallery walk, but then you're going to have to, at the end, answer these questions. Like, I noticed some of the posters. I noticed the posters for numbers blank and blank are similar because, and you're literally going to type those sentence stems out, okay? So I'm going to go to the next slide, and I'm going to pretend that this is the gallery walk for areas 11 and 27. Okay, so I noticed 11 only had one rectangle, and it was an 11 by 1. Okay, but I noticed that the area for 27 had 2. It had 9 times 3 and 27 times 1. Okay, so then I'm going to go to the next one. For this one, I had 25 and 5. So this one just didn't get labeled. This is a 1 by 5 for 5. And then I noticed that 25 has 2. It has a 5 by 5 and a 25 by 1. Okay, and you're going to do this for all of them. And so then you're going to try to tell me similarities and differences and like what you found out about some of these areas. Okay?